Great place, comfortable place to stay. Good place, nice place to stay with professional staff. Exceptional, great place and great staff. Exceptional. Our stay was wonderful and we will take advantage of staying here more often. It is a great place to stay with plenty of opportunities to utilize the space for functions, business and personal. Exceptional, motel was perfect for us. The staff was kind and attentive. We felt pampered and we would definitely return. Exceptional, best place. Relaxed after a long business convention. Definitely recommended. Exceptional. If you're looking for a great place to stay, I highly recommend the Days Inn. I recently stayed at the Days Inn and Suites and had an excellent experience. The hotel was very clean, and my room was comfortable, making my stay quite enjoyable. Exceptional. Staff helped us a lot. They were always willing to answer our questions and help us with anything we needed. We asked for diner nearby and they recommended the best. Staff and room made our stay perfect. Best place. I stayed at Days Inn by Wyndham Springfield / Phil.Intl Airport for a business conference. The hotel is located conveniently close to the airport and the conference center. The hotel is best. Overall, I had a great stay at Days Inn by Wyndham Springfield / Phil.Intl Airport and would recommend it to others. Perfect. Our family with young kids had a wonderful stay at Days Inn by Wyndham Springfield / Phil.Intl Airport. The location was great, with easy access to attractions. We loved the amenities like the bed and breakfast. It was a perfect choice for a fun and comfortable family trip. Exceptional. Despite booking last minute, the staff were incredibly accommodating and made sure I had everything I needed for a comfortable stay. Throughout my stay, I was impressed by the cleanliness of the hotel and the amenities provided. Overall, a very pleasant experience. Right place to relax. I recently stayed at Days Inn by Wyndham Springfield / Phil.Intl Airport and had a great experience. The check-in process was quick and seamless. The staff was incredibly welcoming and made me feel right at home. I would definitely recommend this hotel to anyone passing through Springfield.